Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, Lon Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today, this shit from Colfax, California to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. I know what this is. Pretty excited about it. Unfortunately, I won't be able to have any today in this video, but we'll see what it is in just a moment. Trying to puncture it. I'm actually intermittent fasting right now, so I can't consume anything at the moment. I'm really hungry, but it's worth the wait, and I'll be looking forward to this. So, get some bubble wrap. Oh, snap. They actually sent me a 20%. If I reorder, I'll get 20% off the next purchase. So that's pretty cool. So, this is a 2.5 pound bag of Sunkist Fruit Gems. And this is another 2.5 pound bag. A little bit more expensive than I wanted to pay, but I figured overall it was the best deal. There's 4 different flavors. I want to say it's like green apple, orange, raspberry. I want to say mango. This was my grandma Sandy's favorite candy. Like, not counting candy bars and stuff, but this is her favorite candy, and she's unfortunately she passed away. In the last years of her life, we could not find this candy, and I was just thinking about it. I'm like, one of the best ways I could memorialize her is get one of her favorite things, and I can't wait to have some of these. But right now, I can't today at this moment. But this is one of her all-time favorite candies, and they just took it out of stores. This is the first time I've seen them in person in 10 plus years, but I just kind of went looking online, and it'll be a fun, sweet way to remember her. I appreciate everyone watching my videos. If you have a favorite candy or a family member's favorite candy or movie or something, let me know in the comments below. Maybe some food has some nostalgia to it. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you want to help support my channel, hit that thumbs up button, the notification bell. Of course, share my videos. You can cash at me at London Hawthorne. Also, use my username London Hawthorne at riptapparel.com or onceuponatea.net. When you find your shirt of choice, use London Hawthorne. You'll save a couple bucks off your shirt, and I get a couple bucks in credit. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best, and have a great one.